The unexpected. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a young woman named Clara. She had just graduated from university and was looking for her first job. Clara had big dreams of becoming a graphic designer, but the job market was tough. Every day she sent out applications, but she never received any replies. One sunny afternoon, while walking in the park to clear her mind, Clara noticed a help wanted sign in the window of a little cafe called the Cozy Corner. She hesitated, but decided to go inside and ask about the job. The owner, Mr. Thompson, was a kind old man who loved to chat. He explained he needed someone to help with the cafe's social media and design flyers. Clara's heart raced with excitement. This was her chance. She showed him her portfolio, and Mr. Thompson was impressed. He offered her the job on the spot. At first, Clara felt nervous. She had never worked in a cafe before. However, she quickly learned how to make coffee and serve customers. Every day, she used her design skills to create beautiful posts for social media. The cafe became more popular, and Clara felt proud of her work. Months passed, and Clara realized that this unexpected job was teaching her more than she had ever imagined. She made new friends, gained experience, and even saved money for her dreams. In the end, she learned that sometimes the best opportunities come when you least expect them.